beautiful people. So it is week 23 of my pregnancy, you guys. So I am officially 23 weeks today. Let me get up and kind of show you my baby belly bump for today. So this is actually 23 weeks for me, and I am very, very excited that I'm getting closer. But I realized that a lot of stuff is starting to change and I'm not rushing this baby to come out. So this baby want to take its time. You know, I'm not like in a rush, like, come on out. Now, the baby movement has been picking up like crazy. So, I mean, like, at nighttime, baby has been going crazy. And I have realized, too, I feel like my body is actually kind of swelling up a little bit. So, I'm trying to take it easy on the salt. I know that's one thing. Take it easy on the salt. And I'm drinking a lot of water. So maybe my increased intake of water and my increased intake of salt. Because I'm always like, oh, this needs salt. This needs salt. And I want to add salt. I need to slow down on that. But let's kind of talk about where we're at with the baby for this week. Now, the baby right now is, they said the baby is about a foot. So the baby is about a foot. And the baby is measuring the size of a mango, or you can think about a bunch of grapes too. So the baby is officially a pound, but depending on what app you're using, some people are even saying bigger than a pound, like a pound and a few ounces. So yeah, that is very, very exciting. Now, some highlights right now. They said a baby can hear sounds from outside the womb. So the baby can hear different things, like, you know, they said like if a dog is barking, the baby will be able to hear like the dog barking, hear my voice more. Babies are able to hear men more than women because of the pitch of our voice. But yeah, that is really, really exciting. And they're saying too that dancing is a great exercise. So maybe I should start dancing more. But I've been doing TikTok, so y'all know I've been dancing anyway. I've been dancing like crazy anyway. And it helps keep you flexible and get your heart rate up and tones your muscles. Now, I have to, when it comes down to working out, I started the gym back today. So I started the gym back today. My goal is to be on it's like a fast-paced walk, like a brisk walk. But it's the speed is, it's like the level 3. And I do that for 15 minutes. I plan on increasing that. Well, actually, I plan on doing that 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And then I plan on increasing it by 5 minutes every week. So next week, I'm going to do 20 minutes. The week after that, 25 minutes. Just so I can get my endurance up. Because, like, even right now, I can barely breathe, y'all. I need to get my wind up, like, seriously. So they saying salmon right now can help with the fetal brain development, and avocados help prevent leg cramps. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I have not been sleeping in my bed. Like I showed you guys my pillow I have, my body pillow that I have right now. Me and babe been sleeping in the guest bedroom, and I caught myself stretching in the morning. I stretched one morning, I think it was like yesterday. I stretched, no, day for yesterday. I stretched and my leg caught a cramp. I was like, ah. And he like, what's wrong? And he rubbed it, and I'm trying to beat it. Like, I'm trying to beat it. Like, if you get a leg cramp, don't rub it. You need to beat the pain. It's going to hurt, but you need to beat it. That way it'll stop. The pain would be shorter. But, yeah, you guys. So, avocados is something that I need to start eating right now. I was thinking maybe I need to get the avocados and put it inside my smoothies, because I know I need to really start having smoothies right now. So, maybe I'll just start doing that, because leg cramps is serious, you guys. And Charlie horses, oh, my gosh. And they said if you eat them for 2, you can click the link and they'll tell you what else you can eat. But like I said too, the baby is about a pound, 11.5 inches, so almost a foot. So that's really exciting. The baby can hear different things. Told you about that. And also the baby is practicing their swallowing too more right now. So that's really exciting. That means the baby gonna be ready to breastfeed as soon as it comes out. Now, they're saying that we may notice that our ankles and our feet may swell a little bit in the coming weeks or months, especially by the end of the day or during the heat of the summer. So, this is the time, like, if I'm in Florida, so it's really hot here. This is the time where I really need to make sure I keep moving, because I know swelling is going to happen. And I just feel like I'm fluffy, like... And I'm not going to worry about my fluffiness right now. I'm just going to call it fluffiness. Because, like, look at my wrist, like, my arms, just everything is just fluffy. I'm not going to worry about it, because I know, like, every time I have a baby, like, the next day I look like a whole different person. Like everything just thins out like fast, and it's just that water retention I always have when I have a baby. But I had preeclampsia before, so they said make sure you watch out. Preeclampsia is when you have the high blood pressure, and for them to test for preeclampsia, they'll usually test your urine and see if you have protein in there. You'll also have like frequent headaches. You'll see that your body just swell out of nowhere. So that's the preeclampsia. So I have to make sure that I am checking for that. And they say you can have puffiness around your your eyes too. They said if you don't see any symptoms, that's fine. If you don't see any symptoms, that's fine. If everybody is different too. Now y'all can see I'm bouncing up and down. So I'm in my room now doing these videos from now on. As I get more baby things, I'm going to change the angle on how I'm doing the baby things. Now next week, I'm going to get the baby a bed. So I didn't really get anything for the baby this week. I'm going to actually spend what I was going to spend this week or next week when I get my baby a bed. So the baby bed I think is like $180. It's on Amazon, but that's what I'm going to get. And I've been bouncing on this ball some too. I've been bouncing on here like crazy, especially like if the baby is moving and he won't stop moving and I feel very uncomfortable, then I'll bounce on this ball just to like rock the baby to sleep. Remember, they say when we're pregnant and when we're pregnant and the baby is woke, if we're still, we're going to feel a baby like crazy. But if we're walking around busy, the baby is going to most likely be asleep. And if you do feel a baby kicking, they're going to go right back to sleep because you walking is actually, rocking your baby back to sleep. So I just bounce on this thing. And it's good too if you're planning on doing like a natural birth like me. I plan on having a baby probably right here or in the bathroom. Then you really do need to bounce up and down to get ready to bounce. Just get ready, because when you have a baby, you should be bouncing. You should be pushing that baby down and basically getting ready for that. But getting ready to push the baby out. But I have a video. I want to show you guys the things I had to take back because I bought new maternity clothes, you guys. Like this was one of the dresses that I bought, but it's already too tight. It's already too tight, and I kind of bought it for the moment. I bought it a few weeks back, but it was a few things that I had to take back for my maternity clothes that I bought, but I actually got some new things that I have to take back. So like I bought this here. I bought this and I have to take it back because I just don't like how it look. I thought it'd be so cute like with this, but it just makes me look big, and I don't. All of this down here makes me look big because my bump comes out, but it don't go back in. I don't know. And that's a large, and I can't fit it. This right here is a medium. I got it on sale. Yeah, it's a medium. I got it on sale. And I should have got a large. It's really this band that's right here. My booty can't get past it. So I have to take it back. And then this right here is also a large. But my booty just can't. My booty is like huge, y'all. I don't know like why it's growing like that. But I actually got this too, which I thought was going to be so pretty. But I can't fit it. I want to show you these new things that I bought. Now, some of these things, like I got all of my clothes from Discovery, you guys. I love Discovery. Nice, cheap, get it, throw it on, you good. Really cute. So I like to go to Discovery, especially knowing that a lot of my clothes I'm going to have to change. So I got this right here, this dress here, so I can kind of feel a little sexy. Yeah, I feel really sexy in this thing. In this one right here. So I'm going to make sure I put that one on. And I got this one here too. Now this one got like a little top to it. You can see like the top, and I tried to get everything extra large. Even though I can't fit it right now, I think I'm more like a large and I'm really comfortable. Like this is right here, what I have on now is a medium, but a large, I'm really comfortable. I want to get an extra large because I don't want to keep buying no clothes. I just want to go back to my normal body. Like I want to go back to my medium, call it a day. But yeah, I got an extra large and all of this. So this right here is more like a what you call that, a jumpsuit? Yeah, so this right here is like more of a jumpsuit. So I got this here. And I got this. Some of these things is only like $10 too. Because most of this stuff right now is like on clearance because nobody want to wear this. But I'm pregnant, so this is like the best thing. Because I can't really wear pants. This looks so huge, y'all. This looks so huge. But yeah, most of these were like $10 or under, and then I already had the credit from the things I had to take back, so I was good when I got these. This is another dress that I had got. So I can actually tie it up a little tighter because it's kind of loose up here to me. And this is a more of a flowy dress. And it got a split in it right here. So I really like that. And let me see. Oh yeah, I have another one. This is a large, but look how big it looks. I don't know. I was like, let me get a large in this. This look huge already. Look how wide that is. When my belly and my booty push it out, it'll be fine. Because I need room for my belly and my booty. So this will be perfect. So I got that. And I got me some more pajamas. And I got pajama pants because I've been wearing some shorts, you guys. And my booty cheeks be out. And I don't need to have my booty cheeks out. So I got me some pajama pants. And they actually came with a top. So this is the top that it actually came with. So that's really pretty. And then this one, I love my bed. And I think I got a large in these. I didn't get an extra large in these, but here we go. Yeah. This is the last thing. So this is basically, I got things for myself this week. I didn't get anything for the baby this week, but like I said, I'm going to get the baby bed next week. So I'm going to spend the money that I was going to spend on the baby this week and actually spend it on the baby next week. But I'm so excited. If you follow along with your pregnancy with me, we're at 23 weeks. We're at 23 weeks, so we got 17 more weeks to go. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And if you got some questions that's like TMI, ask me still because I am so TMI.